I'm going to do a plastic weld repair on this fender for my Dodge. Right there I have a crack. When I repainted the lower in a different video, this was cracked, had an impact in this area, cracked all the way down there, and across there. I did a plastic weld on that. You can see the top piece of it there where I welded. Anyway, I'm going to do the same thing there as I get ready to paint the upper half. You can see there was a lot of body putty on there. You can't plastic weld the body putty. So I ground that back until there was the plastic. This pinky is the body putty. Then I'll grind this out. I'm not sure what that was. Some kind of an epoxy or something that was used. So I'll have to remove all of that with a Dremel router, so I can get back to clean plastic to weld to. I'm going to use these to weld with. Fiberflex reinforced plastic welding rod. Just with a cheap Wagner weld heat gun. I bought a little nozzle there. I don't remember how much it was, $10 or $12. I'm going to run about 950. That might be too hot, but I just keep moving, and it hasn't had a problem with it yet. I like to go on high. You see the welding rod starts to melt, and the base is starting to get soft. You kind of shove it down in there, you can see it melting into the crack. I'm going to go back up it. I'm going to get a good angle here. This stuff here actually appears to be some kind of a plastic. I thought it was epoxy, so I'm going to just try to weld right onto it. I'm going to start from this end. I'm going to turn this down a hair, down to 750. Okay, that'll work. Now I can shape that. I'm going to turn this down again, actually. 550 up the base. We get a good stick. Starts to get hot. And your fingers get down there. Oh, it's really hot. There's a couple of these short ones, so I don't know what you're seeing now. Got that view down low. That melted in together. Have you noticed I did a stop drill similar to what I did on my chimenea repair on a different video. That'll give more surface area to the end of the crack and hopefully help it stop from spreading or propagating. The common technique that I use in aircraft repair. It's not just me, it's a commonly accepted aircraft repair technique. Stop drilling a crack helps get rid of the stress riser, is what it's called, at the end of a crack. By increasing the surface area of the material from a small point needle, a small pinpoint area at the end of a crack to in this case, a 3/16 hole, where all that is spread out across, any of the stresses are spread out across. Alright, it's a little bit deep. I can put Bondo in there, but I'm going to go ahead and put another layer of plastic in there. That's hot. I'm gonna overlap this joint right here a little bit. I didn't see that when I started. I didn't back up far enough, I think. Hot. Alright, there you have it. That's filled in. My gun cool down. That's filled in. Now I'll bring the sander back out and sand that down, and then body putty over it. Same thing back here. There was a broken off or a really chipped out piece down there, so I built that up. I'll reshape that with a sander, and then shape that, flush it out, and then cover over the step there with Bondo to smooth it up. You're ready to paint. Thanks for watching.